Is it good to go up? Almost 12.
And if you feel a tooth touch your hand at all, then you stand up and shun him. And if he sits, you can pet him again. Come in! Hey! We're doing Sit for Polite Greeting with Ernie on a video if you want to be the next video star.
Whoa, okay. Sorry, buddy. I know. He's like, this isn't fair, you always let me do it.
You can go back as soon as as soon as he's calm.
He's like, oh, dude, I'm so pissed. Hi. I pet you? No?
So yes, as soon as you feel a tooth touch or if he puts his paws on you, stand up and walk away. Real matter-of-factly. Oh!
Okay. That was scary. He's like, okay, I'm done.
No.
Ernie.
Wanna go next?
I wanted to see who you had in here. So I could act bad with them.
Good job. Thank you. Good boy. Aw, good boy, Ernie.
It's good. You want to go next, Christy?
Just go where he is right
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, Ernie. Hi, Ernie. He's got a nice mechanical breath.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
That's so good.
You're so good, Ernie. He's tired.